Hello guys, okay. Welcome to my first ever video on this channel. For the live stream that's happening tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, like it's 37, it's March 7th, so probably like at the time I'm recording this, 7, yeah, so my PC is, and I have nothing to do except play. So I am gonna just make a video and tell you all a lot about the live stream. So yeah, please join the live stream. I will be very sad if you don't. So today we are playing Puppet Master. Puppet Master. Let's do this one. Right there. And Puppet Master. Right. I am in the middle of it, so this is not my normal voice.
Welcome to the show, contestants. We will have such a fabulous time. Who will live? Who will die? Will you all die?
Oh my God, why is it so
Survive to
loud?
the end to win a fabulous prize. Ah!
Okay, if you didn't hear me, too bad. Oh my God. I can die. Oh, I can't punch. I'm broke.
Stay on the platform as long as you can while knocking on the players out.
No.
Beware of the toxic goo below. Have fun.
Oh, I thought I died. Look at that thing. Oh. Oh. Okay. So Cuphead. Let's go. Does this have like? Oh my God! Others. Yes, later. Ah, no! It was my life. Is this a lever? Yeah. Holy cow. Bomb! Oh my God. Bomb.
You'll either be the prey or the hunter. Hunters must kill their selected target in time. If they fail, the hunters will die.
Let's go. Where do I hide? Where do I hide? Where do I hide? Where's the hunter? No. Awesome died already.
to your advantage out there.
What's that again?
You already got something, bud. Chill out.
What did I get? What did I get?
I already gave you something. Don't get too greedy now.
No, what did I
You
get?
already got something, bud. Chill out.
Did I get a punch? No.
These chickens are deadly. Dodge the danger zone before the chickens spit flames.
It's a rabbit. What's a rabbit? Fish. Rabbit fish. Oh, no. Oh. Oh. No. Ow. I got no. I died. I got no. I have 13 lives. She has 4. It's a rabbit fish. Is it longer?
Look at the screens on the walls in the middle of the
Oh, okay, this is it.
You'll need to step on the selected colors tiles before you get zapped.
Yo, yo, yo. Oh, shit. Where? That's rabbit duck. No, rabbit fish. Oh. Bro. What? Oh, people died. I hear a side dash. Ew, look at that. Is it musical chairs? No, I suck at musical chairs. Spider-Man.
Welcome to musical chairs.
No!
Sorry about that. If you don't sit on the chair when the music
Who
stops,
are you?
you'll lose health.
Who are you? Who are you? Don't go get the trigger. Oh. Yeah! You suck! You suck! Oh, I feel bad. No! I feel bad. Okay, she's done. Stand. No. Oh shoot. Ow, bro! I don't like this girl. I don't like you. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you so much. I hate you. No. Stop going. I hate you so much.
Good afternoon, peasants. Join the raffle now.
Oh, give me the rifle. No! I don't like her. I don't like
Good
her.
afternoon, peasants.
Shut
Join the
up.
raffle now.
Shut up. That's not worth it.
Pass along my home friend before the timer runs out. It's 0.
Oh, well, pass them all. Oh, yeah! Yes, I got it.
I'm good enough to...
Yeah! Yeah, I got him! Let's go. I should have gotten her. What is this? Who is Japanese? Oh, shop. I need milk. No, I don't. 3. No. Number 3. Milk. No, I'm not. I have 3. Yeah. Alright, good. I'm ready. I'm ready. We're gonna target the Japanese girl. The girl with Roblox fans. I like the bacon. No, I should get her. She stole my weapon. Oh!
Greetings to the show.
Oh, you're battling him!
To spice things up for the audience.
Oh, you're battling him! I thought we
See
were battling
you final
him.
goodbye. It was lovely having you on the show.
Oh! Why? Look, he's weak. Ow. Oh. No. Yes! Oh! The girl died. Why is there so many people? What?
Pesky rodents, how are you not dead yet? No big deal. You haven't seen the grand finale.
No. You suck. This girl sucks. Yeah! Oh, that was fun. And if you want me to actually win the game, please like. No, just like. I don't need you to subscribe. Just like, so I can play. If this video gets 2 likes, I'll finish it. Bye bye. And for now, bye bye.